everyone, and welcome to a full apartment makeover. I got to partner with Castlery and I'm so excited to share with you all of the amazing furniture I got to pick out. Alright family, but this sponsorship would not have been possible without you. So thank you so much for subscribing and for being a part of my family because you've truly changed my life. Castlery is a modern furniture company that creates a story for every room in your home. They craft furniture that is timeless, using the highest quality raw materials to create pieces that are built for longevity and multi-purpose use. As it is a direct-to-consumer brand without middlemen, they're able to extend honest pricing and affordability to their customers. I am so excited to redecorate my apartment. I literally woke up not too long ago, but they came, brought everything, and I'm the type of person where if there's boxes in my living space, I need to get rid of it as quickly as possible. My cute little stool! Oh yes. So much stuff, but a very good problem to have. Yes, these chairs already came assembled. I am so happy that I don't have to assemble it. Yay! We're making progress. Okay. Inside the zipper are the slats. Okay. I did it all by myself. Dining table is gone and we're gonna put in my new one. I love how Castlery is very modern furniture with really good quality and livable furniture at an accessible price. Look, it's my husband helping. 11, 12. I mean, I've been sleeping on a box spring for so long. This is crazy! Wow! Wow! Anything with handles was screwed in on the inside to protect it while being delivered, so all I had to do was unscrew it and place it on the outside. I am finally ready to show you my apartment makeover. I got a bunch of new furniture. The only thing I haven't added are photos and paintings up on the walls. That is to come. I just realized that my cleansing balm matches my retainer case. And I got this nice little bamboo hamper from the Container Store. It really fits the aesthetic vibes. And then a little basket with poopery and toilet paper. And thank you so much to Castlery for sponsoring this video. I was so excited to work with them. It has been a long time coming. We have been planning this for months and their furniture is fantastic. Like, I don't even want to order from anybody else but them because they just made my life so much easier. And everyone I've talked to who has used Castlery before, they all told me this is so exciting. Their furniture is bomb. Just so many good things to say. But let me show you what I got. Starting off at the front of my apartment. My apartment is only about 860 square feet. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bathroom. And then I got this Seb extendable dining table from Castlery, as well as the chairs. So aesthetic, and it does expand. So on the bottom, you just unlatch this hook, and then you pull the table. And it is very long. These chairs came fully assembled, which is why I love Castlery so much, was that I really didn't have to do that much. And if you guys have seen my move-in videos, you know I really don't like to assemble furniture. So this was super easy. This one just came all together with the legs and everything all intact. So it was fantastic. And I have not spilled anything on here yet. I then decided to use the Seb bedside dresser as a little stand for my couch, and then I just put stuff in here. And then there is felt. Wedding sign. Same couch that I've always had. Then that was my old desk, but now it is my husband's desk. And then this is my desk that was once inside my room. And I put my computer inside here. I took out the shelves so that it would fit. I'm all about hiding things that don't need to be seen. And now we go to the bedroom. So I moved out when I was 24 years old. 25, 26, how old was I? I moved out when I was 24 years old. First I lived with my friend for free. She was super generous. Then I moved to an apartment and I rented out a room with 2 other apartment mates. And that apartment had a bunch of cockroaches and just not the cleanest, but it was so cheap and affordable that I was just okay living in that environment. I just thought, I'm saving a ton of money and it's okay. But thereafter, I started moving around a lot and I've always slept on just a box spring and my mattress because I felt like I don't need a bed frame. This is fine. As long as my mattress is comfy, I didn't feel like I needed anything else. But having a bed frame really adds flavor to your room. And I love this one that I got from Castlery, which feels like, I feel like an adult. That chair is also from Castlery. My apartment is not big enough for me to put everything in the living room, but there's a spot for me and my husband to sit down and put on our socks. Of course, the hope is that we will eventually move to a bigger space and then we can utilize all of this furniture all together in the living room as a set. Okay, so here is my queen bed frame headboard. It's very nice. And I got a little TV console. It has a bunch of drawers. This is probably my favorite drawer. And then a little deodorizer. And this is one of my favorite spots with the cutest little couch and with a little tiny stool. I also finally hung my mirror. These are the vibes I am going for. We love this. We love to swivel. And then I ended up moving my bookcase to the left side of my room with my little pangtan shelf and all of my Christ-centered books. And I got this little cloud lamp. Here is my closet. Yes, I managed to fit all of my husband's clothes in here as well. That needs some work. I didn't know where else to put my Bam Bam pillow, so he's on the chair. So this is my space, and I feel like I'm just practical in the sense of I don't need too many things, but I feel like if I do get something, it needs to serve a purpose to help organize my life in some way. So thank you so much to Castlery for sponsoring this video. Their furniture is fantastic. I feel like it is very high quality. I know it's going to last me a long time, and I'm just so thankful how easy it was to put things together, or I didn't even have to put anything together. So thank you so much. So make sure to check them out. If you like what you see, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you later. Bye! We are all about this.